We have been growing and consuming crops for countless years. They have helped us, and we have helped them. But now we have ways to accurately and effectively improve crops and efficiency output and much more. This is called the genetic modification of plants. Why don't we openly accept this great benefit? Why don't you trust and invest in genetically modified plants? Well, I'll show you why I do. GMOs will allow us to be more efficient in food production with modifications that allow plants to rely less on herbicides and pesticides, as well as be grown on lower quality land. A more specific example is the use of an antifreeze gene found in fish, allowing the plants to be grown in colder weather. Monsanto has created soybeans resistant to the herbicide Roundup, so less herbicides are needed to kill weeds. The GMO Bt corn helps eliminate the need for chemical pesticides on the crop. The crop, golden rice, has even been genetically modified to contain more vitamin A to prevent many deaths and blindness in third world countries. Not all GMOs are grown commercially or for human consumption. There are plants and trees modified to clean metal pollution from soil. As you can see, there are many benefits to GM crops, but why are so many people against them? Some people argue that large-scale GMO growing is difficult to predict, but we may simply test a GMO extensively beforehand. Some also argue that GMOs can cause many allergic reactions, but no GM foods that cause allergic reactions have been released to be sold. There are many activists who wish GMO products to be labeled. Tom Dilly said in response, "I nor most producers have no objection to labeling foods as GM products, but the food distribution trade is afraid it will deter sales." So the solution is to have local, state, and national government put on a big push to educate the population in the safety and value of GM products. There is no science to back the reasons for concern about GM plants at all, said Peter Rave, head of the Missouri Botanical Gardens. We need to stop protesting against GMOs and educate the people of their benefits to help the survivability of the environment and the output of our crops.